Oh guys, look at these amazing little things. Chum are an Indian dessert made from combining paneer with a sugar syrup. It's got a similar technique to making ras malai, but it's actually even easier to make. The first step is to boil some milk. We're going to make some paneer, so when it comes to a boil, turn off the gas and add in your lemon juice to curdle the milk. All the ingredients and amounts can be found in the description below. Because we're making such a small amount of chums today, this will make about 12, I'm going to drain and rinse the paneer using a cheesecloth. If I was making more paneer, I could actually use a paneer press, game changer. I've put a link to buy one of these in the description below. Rinse out the lemon juice and then give it a good squeeze to get as much water out as you can. It'll probably take a couple of minutes of squeezing. At this point, I'm also going to stick my sugar syrup on to let that start boiling. Put it on a low to medium gas to let it simmer in the background once it's come to a boil. We're going to start making our chum. So place the paneer onto a flat surface and using the palm of your hand you can start to blend that paneer into a smooth paste. You're going to need to do this for at least 5 to 7 minutes. If you feel that the paneer is a little bit too sticky, you can use a little bit of corn flour and sprinkle that over just to get it to combine a bit better. Can you see how when I pull my hand back it kind of gathers up really well on its own? Now that's the consistency that we're after. If you look at chum in the shop, you'll see that some of them are bright pink, yellow, green, mad colours. If you want to add some colours, this is the time to add in the dye. So I don't use a lot of produced and artificial ingredients in my cooking. I try and use a lot of natural things, so today I was experimenting. I've used beetroot juice as a natural pink dye, because I've heard that works, googled it. But as you can see from the final product, the colour really fades and they end up looking kind of creamy. But I'll keep trying and I will find a natural pink dye. Divide up the paneer into equal sized pieces and you're going to roll them up into small balls in your hand. They're beginning to look a lot like chum. Sorry, I just had to do it. Put the heat back up on the syrup so it's bubbling away and add in the paneer balls. Now these are going to expand as they boil, so make sure the pan is big enough for them all to sit comfortably. Once they're all in there, we're going to cover the pan and let them boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the gas, let them cool down with the pan uncovered. Once they're cool enough, we're going to take them out, give them a little squeeze to get some of the juice out, and then put them back into the syrup to soak for at least half an hour. These look beautiful when you top them off with some coconut flakes. I always serve these chilled from the fridge, and this makes about 12 chum, so it's great for a quick dessert for the family. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, but right now it's time to play in the snow. I'll see you on the next one.